y'all, it's me. It's the NDT show. And you know what time it is? Folks, it is time to go in here at Tractor Supply because I hear they have some Halloween stuff out. Let's go in here and let's take a peek and see what's going on. You want to? Well, there you have it, folks. A little bit of Halloween here at one of our local Tractor Supplies. That wraps it up from NDT Show. Do you have to turn the floor? Where you going to be? Good morning, good day, good night. Thanks, y'all, for watching that exciting episode of the NDT Show. We'll catch you on the next one.